Well, I finally got this thing on and up and running, and I didn't think it would work, but it works really good. I mean, I can really swing that baby out there, and I'll let it go. I'm going to adjust it so it goes a little bit slower. And as you can see, the latch speed is just a tiny bit faster than the door speed, and I had already adjusted the spring before I even put it on there, so it'd be easier for the arm to move. So I'll do that again. And I'm so surprised that this thing is working as good as it is. And there is my door closer on the door and frame that I built a few days ago. Thank you for watching.